Well, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel and good morning and happy 4th of July. We have a few more items to finish up the menu for today. Macaroni and cheese, green beans, and baked beans. And then we will be done. So, right now we're going to do the potato salad. So we will need Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip. Some people prefer other mayos or salad dressings. That's up to you. Sweet relish. I'm going to use 2 Idaho potatoes, got a little bit of onions cut up, paprika, and eggs. Now, one thing I normally put inside of my potato salad is green onions, and I neglected to put that in my shopping cart yesterday. So I will be adding that later on today when I get everything done. I go to the store. I'll blend that in last. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Okay, so I had my 2 potatoes. I had them soaking in water so they wouldn't brown. And I'm going to slice these up in bite-sized pieces. Now, when you're boiling your potatoes, you don't want to overboil them because you don't want mashed potato salad. You want it to be able to bite into the salad and have some type of texture, okay? I'm just basically cutting these up in bite-sized pieces. Just enough so you can eat it. Okay? Okay, so I have the potatoes cut up. Now, I'm going to put the onions in. And if you don't want to use onions, you don't have to. Something about onions, I always give it a kick. Now, I'm going to show you my secret. My mama's secret. On how to get yellow potato salad. Not white, but yellow. I'm going to take the yolks out of these. Just take the yolk, and then I'm going to chop up the other into the potato salad. Okay, so I separated, the whites from the yolk, and this is how it looks. I'm going to chop up the whites and throw it into the potato salad over there. So that's how that's looking. So you can actually see the bite sizes. We're going to blend this in very well, so don't worry about the chunks right now. Just getting it started. I have my ground beef going for the baked beans. I have my water boiling for the mac and cheese. And again, you're just going to cut these up very small. We're not making egg salad. We're just making potato salad. I always use 1 potato, 2 eggs for 1 potato. But then again, it all depends on what size eggs that you have as well. So, and the size of potatoes. So use your best judgment. Like I said, we're not making egg salad. For the size of potatoes that I showed you, I'm going to be using 4 eggs. These are large eggs. So I have the eggs chopped up, okay? You can see. Okay. There they are. I don't know if that's helping y'all or not. Bringing it close to you. Let me clean up this little mess. Now, mustard. Cannot make potato salad without mustard. No, sir, Bob. Okay. These are the egg yolks. Just going to squeeze your mustard. About a tablespoon or 2. About a tablespoon to start off with. And all I'm going to do is mash this together. Just smash it. Mash it together. You want to get almost a consistency of a paste. And this is what's going to make you have yellow potato salad. Okay, now this is to my liking. Okay, that's the paste. It almost looks like we're eating potato salad already. See? See how it's not like falling into my hand? Okay. Okay, so we're going to mix this up first. Blend in the eggs and the egg whites together to get it started. Then let's throw in half of this to start off with, okay? Just half. And we're going to grab our mayo here. Now, like anything, mayo is going to, you see in my tuna video, mayo will leave a watery after effect after it's been sitting for a while with salads, in my opinion. Trial and error. So I don't use that much mayo at the very beginning because it will get watery as it sits, and we don't want watery potato salad, so we're going to play that by ear for right now. Don't forget, we still have the relish, which is also watery based, so we will definitely be using it as well. Now, I'm old school, you guys, so I am definitely going to be going off camera and getting this together. Like I said, you don't want mashed potatoes, so you don't want people to eat like chunks of potatoes either, because it's not actually a potato they're eating, it's potato salad. And get it blended as much. I'm going to use the other part of the yellow. So 4 egg yolks. Only thing left to do is add some onion powder. Not onion powder, you guys. Some paprika on top of here and some pepper. And we're going to be good to go. Some people would like to add salt to the potato salad and other ingredients. As you know, I'm not a salt lover. I just want to take the relish. It's going to be sweet enough for me and season it to perfection. This is going to be really yellow, and I love yellow potato salad, you guys. Love, love, love. Now, I did boil some more eggs, and I'm going to top this potato salad with slices of eggs as well. Okay, so let me show you how this looks. So this is the potato salad. As you see, the potatoes are chopped up. See how yellow it is? I'm going to get a better picture of this. You can actually see the yellow in it, you guys. The lighting isn't too well. Let me see if I can get it this way. Nope, I'm going to have to get a better picture. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this really blended in well. And then come back and put the relish in and show you the finished product. Okay, so I have the potato salad blended in very well. It is yellow. It just looks white on this camera. I don't know why, but it's yellow, you guys, believe it or not. Once I plate up everything on one plate, you'll be able to see the finished product. So right now I'm going to add the relish. You know what we do, drain the relish, get those juices off of it, and then we'll put it inside of our salad. So give me 1 second to open the jar, and we will be right back. So we add the relish. Looks about a half a cup of relish, half a cup to a cup. And you are just using the relish for decoration and also to sweeten the potato salad. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this very well and look at the finished product. My juices are at the bottom of this relish, so I'm just getting from the sides, which doesn't have that much liquid in it. I think that's going to be ample enough. Now, if you want to add some more sugar in here, you can. It's really up to you. Let's sample this. See if we need any more. So I did sample the potato salad. There's the yellow. Now you can see it. Yes, yellow potato salad. I did taste it. Here. I'm gonna sample it right now. You got it? Let's see how it tastes. Okay, the only thing I'm missing is my green onions. That's what I'm missing. So if I don't make it to the store for whatever reason, I'm gonna go ahead and top this off. And I think we can probably bypass that today. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar though, sweeten it up a little bit more. Just a little bit. I'm actually gonna put this in a different dish because you know you can't serve in this. I've been stirring this up. I have a glass dish because I wanted you to see it. At least see it from your view. Since you're not looking down into the dish, you can actually see that part. And look. See? That's how I like my potato salad. I pick it up like that. If you want yours a little more more water per se in it, you can add some more relish in here or more mayo, and that'll loosen it up for you. But I like mine thick. So without further ado, let me get this into the proper dish, and I'm gonna add some more eggs to the top of it, my paprika, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished product. As you see, the potato salad's at the bottom. I cut up 2 additional eggs, spread them across the top of the potato salad, and then added the paprika. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave your comment below. Let me know what you think about this potato salad. Or let me know what you use in your potato salad. If you have any recommendations for me, I'm more than happy to receive them. So, until next time, y'all have a wonderful 4th of July. God bless you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next upload. And I'll also post the links to my other recipes that I've made for 4th of July below. Until then, God bless.